5 unpopular opinions about dorodango. Unpopular opinion number 1. Dorodango is not just for kids. I don't know who decided it was a children's activity, but I am a grown adult with a room full of shiny balls and absolutely zero regrets. Unpopular opinion number 2. It's not always relaxing. Some stages are genuinely hard work. Your arms ache, your patience is tested, and anyone who tells you that it's all zen and no effort has never had a ball chip on them right at the end. Unpopular opinion number 3. Your first one will not be perfect. And that's fine. It will still shine, you will still be proud, but if you're anything like me, that tiny imperfection will send you down a 2-year rabbit hole of making them in every colour until every single one is exactly right. I'm still in the rabbit hole. I'll let you know if I find the bottom. Unpopular opinion number 4. No expensive tools are needed. Just my basic ones in the kit, or even just your hands if you have the patience. It's more the clay mix that matters. Everything else is secondary. Unpopular opinion number 5. The process is easy to follow. It's the surface prep that'll get you. Nobody talks about this enough. If you've never experienced a chip or a flake right when you think you're done, consider yourself warned. Surface prep is where the most first-timers go wrong and where the most heartbreak happens. But here's the thing nobody tells you. It seems simple. It seems almost dumb. Clay and patience and a bit of polish. And it's indefinitely, stubbornly, embarrassingly rewarding. Every single time. The link to my kit is in the description if you'd like to find out for yourself.